Hi, I am Mamo. Naya House Store LLP guides you to your goal. We choose 5 best methods for you. Methods Naya House Store introduces are proven by people in the world. Working for oneself in a side hustle can be a liberating break from a 9-to-5 office job or any other job with rigid structure. The fact that you have total control over a side business is one of its best features. You can decide to work less hours on your side hustle when you've had a challenging work week. You get to keep the job during your off hours, whenever that may be, if you have the freedom to determine your work schedule. Some side jobs allow for greater flexibility than others. For instance, rideshare driving offers more flexibility than freelance employment with clients and deadlines. Choose a side business that you can fit in with your busy schedule. If you have a lot of free time, you can maximize your income by putting more effort into your side business. If you don't have as much time, work on your side business less. Appreciate the freedom you don't get at your regular job. Methods are no required skills. Just spend from 15 to 30 minutes from home. No stock and no shipping required. Amazing low failure rate. Easy for beginners. Sometime, you might have no enough money for your daily life due to your living cost increasing even you work so hard. And you might have a good house and vehicle. Going travels? And extra income provides you flexible working hours, working style as you like, more comfortable life, and flexible schedules. And also work for extra income may build your portfolio and make a career change too. You can save some cost and time if you work from home. Your free time to better yourself. Click below to find out the best methods for you.